Hello, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Here you are. I don't know where's Mimi. Mimi, where are you, Mimi? Mimi there? Oh yeah, here's Mimi. Say hello, Mimi. Good morning. Good morning. Where are you going? Ah, Mimi, we're going to the farm, aren't you? Yes. Mimi's going to the farm, aren't you, Mimi? Good girl. Come here. Come here. He's on the top now. Come here, Day. Come here. Come here, baby. Okay. Mimi. Looking, where are you going, Mimi? Yeah. You're a lucky girl, aren't you, Mimi? It's going to the farm, Mimi. Morning, guys. We're in the micro farm now. Look, the mess here. I'm just gonna repair the greenhouse. It's all destroyed by the storm cell. There you go, guys. I'm just gonna do this repair down here. Okay, there we go. So there. Mimi, you're the star of the show. Hey, Mimi. Mimi down there, inside the garage. Yeah, we're gonna go home in a minute. Yeah. There, guys, the farm is a bit of a mess, but most of my daffodils are growing now.